Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So Jamaica. And in today's video I'm going to be doing a unboxing slash inventory haul because I'm going to show you guys what I have in my inventory and what I got new. So let's just get into the video. I forgot, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel and tell your friend to tell that friend to tell that friend that we're trying to reach 500 subscribers and that's period. So let's get into the video. So first I'm going to open up this tiny box. I got my scissors right here. This might be my mother's package. I just took home. Let me see. Okay, this is my flavoring oils by itself. This is crazy. Why do they need a whole box for flavoring oils? Anyways. Comes with this dropper, and this is the flavoring oils. I got some, I already have flavoring oils, but I needed a specific one. This have cinnamon oil, cherry and peppermint. I'm going to be using the cinnamon and the peppermint one. Right, I just keep it in the box. And this is the dropper. This is the dropper. I just squirt in the oil. Got this from over here, which is scrunchies. I got it from Llama Girl. And these are the scrunchies. These are going in my bundles and my boxes because something you check. And I'm gonna tell y'all what didn't reach, so y'all can know that it's coming. It's be here by Monday, or which is tomorrow, or Tuesday, or maybe for the new year. I don't know. This is the second box I'm going to be opening. This is the flat but long one. What am I seeing? Okay, let me press it down a little bit. Let me see. So I can really see. Opening it up. What is this? Let's see. This, I think this is the lashes. Yeah, these are lashes. Oh shoot. Stupid. These are the lashes. I'm going to take a couple. I just got regular any old lashes. I can't remember what these called. What's the style called? But I just know I got lashes. No specific style. I got 6 different. If you like natural looking lashes, you get it in your box. Yes, I'm doing box. In the box. To the box. To the box. That's basically it for this. I also got glitter, cosmetic glitter. I don't know what this is. This might be, yeah, these are the hair clips. Keep these in here, and I have some more clips left, so I just like packaging. Ugh. Tape. Yeah. Okay. And these are the work hooks. Hopefully these are packaged, so you ain't gotta worry about that. These are the silver ones, and I have like 4 more gold, so you can choose which work hook you want. Oh, I did not know they had that B word. Why I didn't see this B word? I did not know it had the B word in that. And I was trying, it took. Hey. This is Snowflakes, which is why I needed these packages beforehand. These are Snowflakes where I'm going to be putting inside my lip gloss. I'm going to be putting these inside my lip gloss. These are what I was telling people about. These are the... it doesn't in the packaging. I got the packaging myself. These are the butterfly clips that I'm going to be selling. These are butterflies. They're going inside my boxes and my bundles. And I think I'm going to open the boxes last. The packaging is last. These are the lip gloss tubes that I ordered because people over here is trying to charge me on my legs, so I just got these from the States, Amazon. I have to wash them out. This is my first packaging. These are Snowflake holographic bags, which I'm gonna put my my bundles in here. It should have been a little bigger, but I'm just gonna put my bundles in here. It's so pretty. I like these. It's so pretty. And these are 100 of them. Got 100 of them. And yeah, I got 100 of these for my bundles. I don't know if I should post the lip gloss making one before I post this one, but I think I'm gonna post this one before I post the other one. And this is the last but not least. These are my boxes. Finally. Oh, what about the time? Anyways, it's 48 boxes. Oh, ooh. Oh, these big enough. So these are the boxes. This is one with have Santa Claus on it. I think I'm going to use the ones with holidays on it first before I use the one that doesn't really have much stuff on it. But I'm gonna use these until New Year's. So if you happen to get a box, this is a gingerbread house. Gingerbread house. I don't know what this is. Oh, snowman. Snowman. I can't put holiday music in the background. And the last one. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. So that is my packaging, and I'm just going to show you guys real quick what I have inside inventory. I still have lip glosses left for my Halloween collection. These are my Halloween. These are my lip gloss for my Halloween collection. If anybody's still interested in getting these, these are like the caramel corn lip gloss, and this is like the pumpkin one. But it doesn't really smell like pumpkin, but it's a pumpkin. And I have this one. This is like the lip gloss that I didn't make, but I buy before I started making lip gloss from someone, and I just can't get rid of them. This could probably be in my Halloween. A lucky person could get green, inside their kits. This is strawberry kiwi. This is another one. I made these. So, any more? And this is the last one. So I got this too. Yeah, the whole collection. And well, the scrunchies. These are the rest of the word clips. I'm ready and packaging. Golds. Smiley faces. Sorry. Kiss. I saw some word clips at school. And you have gold and silver cups. Oh shoot. Well, someone ordered who never got it. I'm gonna give this to who else wanted can take this. I still have like a couple more butterfly clips. I don't know whoever wanted. Y'all could just hit me up. These are the snap clips. I still have snap clips in stock, so if you need it, hit me up. I have gold and silver cups. This is the only one that have gold and silver in it. And then I have the one with just silver. The one with just silver. And then I have more with yeah. So that's basically all my inventory and what I've got for the Christmas collection. I know I am so late, but things has happened. Oh, and I'm supposed to tell y'all I got some necklaces. I don't know if I'm going of the video show y'all what I'm getting, but I don't think I should. I might. But I was supposed to get some necklaces and they still didn't reach yet. They might reach here maybe Tuesday, maybe even Wednesday, maybe tomorrow. I don't know. UPS saying keep changing it, so I don't know when exactly it's coming here, but I just know that I need them because that's a major part of why I wanted to do boxes. But they have to reach it. The end of my video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and make sure to tell a friend to like and comment too, and tell that friend to like, comment too, and tell that friend to like and comment too, and tell that friend not only to like and comment but to subscribe. Thank you for watching my video and bye.